So I realised that with Christmas around the corner, there's going to be lots of people buying bottles for gifts and for drinking. Obviously there's a huge range in terms of what you might be looking for. We're going to try and cover all bases. We're just going to go in, out, fast, just pull out some of my favourites. So for today's video, I've gone to the Whiskey Exchange on Great Portland Street. Oh my word, I'm like a kid in a sweet shop. Right then, we're going to talk through probably my favourite category of all. This is rum. You look at a wall of rum like this, it can be very, very intimidating, and you see prices just going up and up and up. You need to know what you're looking for. Are you after a sipping product? Are you after a pouring product that's going to be good fun in cocktails? People used to look at rum as white, gold and dark. We don't do that anymore. We talk about it in terms of flavour profile and how it's been made. How it's been made, traditionally dependent upon where it's from. So you'd look at things like British style, the predominantly pot still, heavy funky flavours coming through, but not always, because they do blend with columns as well. Spanish style, they would traditionally use column stills, much lighter alcohol, much more flavour from the barrel. And then French style, agricole rums using sugarcane juice and not molasses. So much more of that tropical notes coming over. Let's break it down into those three sections. If I'm looking for an agricole, straight away you can see it up here. This beautiful colour here, Trois Rivières, fantastic range from Martinique, as is Rhum JM. This is from a distillery in Paris. Beautiful. And then you got the Clarence here from Haiti and some cheeky cachaças in the corner as well. We've got pouring, don't forget it's 50%, and this is the rest of their sipping range. All of this is sipping because these are just so diverse in terms of the flavour profiles that you've got for them. If we're looking for a Spanish style rum, lighter on the flavour profile, a bit easier drinking, a great gifting option, then let's dive in and see what they've got here. So Diplomatico, obviously a fantastic range. This was their latest release, the Selection de Familia. It is absolutely awesome. They've halved the sugar content, and it's a selection of different barrels from around their warehouses. Beautiful, beautiful liquid. But the Diplomatico Reserve Exclusive has been a long-standing favourite for many. What else they got? Got some Havana. Havana, big name brand, but don't let that mistake you in terms of thinking that it's not high quality. Beautiful rum, especially the Selection de Maestros there. These fair rums up here, we've got Paraguay, El Salvador. You can see the SBS range, Nicaragua from Cane Island, Methuselam, and then we've got Brugal as well. Brugal 1888 is a really beautiful rum. I think more people should try this. It's the equivalent of Balvenie double wood, but in the rum world. It's finished in sherry casks. Really, really approachable stuff. And then the rest of it is this incredible British rum style mix-up. So we're going to get some intense Jamaican flavours here. Your Ray and Nephews, your rum bars from Worthy Park. But you're also going to get the softer style as well. You've got El Dorado from Guyana, St. Nicholas Abbey. Huge shout out to them. They're making incredible rum. The British style just goes up and up and up in flavour. So we've got Pusser's 15 here, right at the other end of the spectrum. Aged, spicy, intense. Here's some Barbadian rums. This is a beautiful range. If you've got the money, buy one of each and taste them all. Hamden Distillery, probably one of my favourite distilleries. And then some cheeky little high price numbers going higher up. There's some from the Caroni Distillery. Your spot figures are close to 400 up there. Just like the Hamdens. Oh, there's a bottle I'd like to take home with me. That will happen. That is yummy. The Chamarel. If there's any left, get it. It's yummy. Oh my word, there's so much out there. Wow guys, a lot to take in there. So watch the video again and again and again. If you've got any questions or recommendations, then please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you next week.